Hi, welcome back to Hostbox C channel and back to the tutorial for artificial intelligence. This is a tutorial exclusive helpful for who are preparing UGC NET and some of the competitive university and college level exam also. Let's continue the topic today. It's called various operations in fuzzy logic with simple example. The previous session I explained about what is fuzzy logic and why we need and so important like that. So today we continue the various operation fuzzy logic. These are very important, very simple, where you may study in the previous years, maybe intermediate also. And listen carefully. So there are major operations in the fuzzy logic that are very simple and easy. That is called union, followed by intersection, and followed by complement, and followed by bold union, followed by bold intersection also. Here you know union, the formula is mu a union b of x equal to maximum of mu a of x comma mu b of x where x belongs to u. And intersection, same formula as we study in the mathematics, mu a intersection b of x equal to minimum of mu a of x comma mu b of x. And complement formula mu not a of x where is equal to 1 minus mu a of x where x belongs to u is the common one. Then bold union, so somewhat different, where mu a plus b is equal to minimum of 1 comma, that is not a, sorry for mistake, that is a xr b, okay, a plus circle, a mu a xr b is equal to minimum of 1 comma mu a x plus mu b of x. Then bold intersection, where mu a dot b is equal to maximum 0 comma mu a of x plus mu b of x minus 1. So this is the general operations where you can do with the help of fuzzy logic, and we see the example there, then only get the clarity. Let's take the example of one where you have to create clarity of what is membership and so on. Okay, here take the example. Let's take example u is equal to where the value is like 5 comma 10 comma 20 comma 25 30 40. Then let's assume that the a having the value of 10 comma 0.2, then 20 comma 0.4, 25 comma 0.7, 30 comma 0.9, 40 comma 1. Where what is this one? This is x value. Let's consider this x value. This is a membership function value. X value, consider this a membership function value. And more, remember the condition in the fuzzy logic is the membership function should be the range of 0 to 1, that is 0.6, 0.7 anything, but it should be below the 1. That is a major condition in the fuzzy logic. Now consider, now calculate the union function. So what is the union one? Maximum of mu a of x comma mu b of x. So which is the maximum? So take the maximum. Now I am going to find the maximum value. So simply you see, compare this one. So 10 is the common one, you know, continue. Obviously 10 you can write, then 0.2, 0.4, which is the maximum, 0.4 the maximum. So I am writing 0.4 comma, then 20 comma 0.4, 0.1 is the maximum, 0.4 is the maximum. Similarly 25, obviously you can write 0.7, 0.9, which is the maximum, 0.9 is the maximum, I am writing the 0.9. And followed by 30 comma 0.2, 0.9. Here 0.9 is the maximum, I am writing 0.9. At last 40 comma 1 comma 1.6, which is the maximum, 1 is the maximum. So I am writing 1 and closing here. So mu a union of b, what is the formula I discussed? Same, maximum of mu a of x comma mu b of x where x belongs to u. So I am easily finding the union here. Let's continue the intersection. Same example take. So now union intersection. So intersection new, which is the minimum value? Comparing the a and b, which is the minimum value I find out. So I am writing the 10 where a common factor writing 10 x value, then 0.2, 0.4, which is the minimum, 0.2 is the minimum, I am writing 0.2. Similarly 20 where 0.4, 0.1 is the minimum value, 0.1 is the minimum value, I am writing 0.1. Then 25, then 0.7, 0.9, 0.7 is the minimum writing, and 30, which is the minimum value, 0.2 is the minimum writing, and last 40, 1 comma 0.6, which is the minimum, 0.6 is the minimum writing. So similarly you can find the intersection values easy in the fuzzy logic. Now next one is mu not a of x equal to, what is the formula? 1 minus mu a of x where x belongs to union is the common formula. Now I am going to find the 1 where I have to find the a of x value. I have to minus, okay, from 1 I have to deduct the u of mu a of x value. So 10 is the common I am writing. Then I have to consider only the membership function. Now 1 minus 0.2, what is the value? 0.8 I am writing. Similarly 20 comma, I am only consider the a value, consider it because formula like this only. So then 20 comma, then 1 minus 0.6 minus 6 I am writing. Then 25 comma 1 minus 0.7, what is the answer? 0.3 you are writing. Then comma 30 comma 1 minus 0.9, we will get the answer 0.1. Similarly 40 comma 1 minus 1 0. So I'm right. So easily I can find it the 1 minus mu a of x value, that is mu not a of x value. Simple, so simple and easy. Now bold union. This is somewhat one value different. I told you mu a xr plus b. Type mistake is that, sorry for that one. Mu a xr b is equal to minimum of 1 comma mu of ax plus mu b of x. So here you have to remember and write carefully, calculate carefully. I already done because of due to time saving. So first 10 comma, then I am writing, I have to add mu a of x plus mu of value. So 0.2 plus 0.6 what? 0.6 I am writing. So 10 comma 0.6. Then similarly I am writing 20 comma 0.4 plus 0.1 0.5 I am writing. And here remember, here 25 comma 0.7 plus 0.9 is what? 1.6. So just now I told you, sorry, just now I told you the membership value should be below 0 to 1, not more than 1. So if you more than 1, what happened? You consider the maximal of 1 only. So we should not take 1.6 here, we can take 1 only. So similarly here also 30 comma, what is the value here? Here. So here to consider the both, here to add here. So 30 comma 0.9 plus 0.1 what? 0.9 plus 0.2. If you add it to 1.1, but its value should be below 0 to 1 only. So I am taking the maximum 1. And similarly 1.1 plus 0.6 what? 1.6. Similarly I am taking 40 comma 1 is the maximum I am writing. So this is the bold union. We have to carefully take the values and consider the value, and the value of member function should be below 1 only, maximum 1, 0 to 1 only, not more than that. Then bold intersection. So bold intersection we can make, easily calculate the based on the formula. What is the formula given? Maximum of 0 comma mu a of x plus mu b of x minus 1. So we have to add this a and b value, and from this value we can deduct the minus 1. Obviously can do and easily do it. So I make calculation here. So here what is there? Where 10 is the common factor I am writing. Then take the membership functions here, that is 0.2 plus 0.4. See 0.4, then what will happen? It will give 0.6 minus 1. What is the answer? Get 0.4. And we have to take the maximum value. So we compare with the 0 comma minus 0 minus 0.4, which is the maximum. 0 is the maximum. I am taking the 0. This is a negative number. We consider this the minimum value only. Similarly we take next, that is what? 0.4 plus 0.1 minus 1. Based on the formula only we are doing. So what happened? Minus 0.5 minus, sorry, here what will happen? 0.5 minus 1, we will get a minus 0.5. Here not minus, sorry for mistake. So 0.5 will come. So again compare with the 0, we take the maximum 0 only. So I am writing 20 comma 0. The next 25 is here 0.7 plus 0.6, 9. So what answer will get? That is 1.6 minus 1. Here we will get some answer, that is 0.6. So 0.0, 0.6, which is the maximum one? 0.6 the maximum one. I am considering continue here, that is 30 comma, 25 comma 0.6. Similarly what is there here? 30 comma, you have to add this one, 0.9, 0.2. So 0.7 plus 0.9, what you will get answer? See here 0.9 plus 0.2, what you will get? That is 1.1 minus 1, we will get 0.0. So 0 comma 0.1, which is the maximum value? 0.1 is the maximum value. So I am writing 30 comma 0.1. At last 40 comma 1.0, 1 plus 0.6. So what you will get? You will get 1.6 minus 1, you will get 0.6. So like that we can do the bold intersection operation easily in the fuzzy logic. Obviously you can continue careful about the formula. So at last if you go for the properties, we can go for the product. So product is nothing but that is mu a, that is here just multiplying, that is mu a, sorry here mu a of x into mu b of x. So if you calculate what happened, multiply 10 comma 0.008 will get, and 20 comma 0.001. Similarly you can easily calculate the product. These are the operations where various operations performed in the fuzzy logic, and very very important for the UGC NET competitive exams. If any queries or doubts, please kindly communicate with the social media. Please thanks, and please support the channel. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.